Hello guys, in this video we're gonna teach you how to use the Rednote app. It's really simple, so download it from your iOS App Store or Google Play Store and then open the application. So once you have opened the application, you will be met with this page right here. This is their landing page basically. And then right here it works as normal. You have your For You page, live, series, fashion, and there's many more categories right here. There's a drop down menu where you will see channels. So basically these channels are categories of where you can go to and what topics you're interested in will show up also right there. So you also have your follow tab right here, but you must log in. So you also have your nearby and it's gonna use your location basically for it to determine the nearby actual videos nearby you. So here you must log in using let's say right here your email and Apple account. So you also have your messages, you have trending, and the usual things, of course. So there you go. It's just that simple to use the Red Note app. And if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.